Let us start. Come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Put Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara 3 times. Inhale. 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 Repeat after me. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim anatosmi nityam harihi om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Take both hands behind your back. Hold right wrist with left palm. Inhale and go back. Exhale and bend forward. Pay your respects to Mother Earth, parents, teachers, God and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Good morning. Welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. Come to sitting Dandasana. Keep your legs straight, body straight. Keep your palms by the side of the body. Relax your feet. Feet forward, backward, 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 forward, backward. Move your feet left to right, left, 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 right. Rotate your feet in circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing position. Stand up. Inhale. Take your hands above your head. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Inhale. Take your hands above your head. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Inhale. Take your hands above your head. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Inhale. Take your hands above your head. Exhale. Bring the hands down. Sidewise bending. Inhale. Take your hands above your head. Exhale. Bend laterally towards left side. Inhale. Straighten. Exhale. Bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend laterally to the right side. Inhale. Straighten. Exhale. Bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand up. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand up. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand up. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Keep both hands in front, palms facing down. Inhale. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. 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 Bring the hands down. Okay. Now, bring both the feet together. Inhale, take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, exhale. 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 Inhale, straighten. Bring the hands down. Relax. Keep your feet shoulder length apart. Keep your hands in front, palms facing each other. Inhale, expand your hands horizontal to the ground. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, expand your hands. Exhale, bring the hands together. Bring the hands down. Now, make a fist with both the hands. Keep the fist on the chest. Start jogging. Slow jogging. The same place. Keep jogging. Little bit faster, higher, legs higher. Slow jogging. Stop. Relax. Bring your feet together. Bring the hands by the side of the body. Now, inhale, jump and separate out your legs. Take your hands above your head. Exhale, bring your legs together, hands by the side of the body. Inhale, exhale. 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 Stop. Keep your feet shoulder length apart. Take your hands horizontal. Turn your upper portion to the left side. Turn your upper portion to the right side. Turn left. Turn right. Left. 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 right, center, bring the hands down, exhale. Come to standing position. Hold your left earlobe with right palm. Hold your right earlobe with left palm. Sit down and get up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove your hands, relax. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Take your hands above your head. Bring both the feet together. When I say inhale, inhale and bring both the feet 90 degrees. When I say exhale, exhale and drop it down. Inhale, exhale. 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 Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now bring both the legs 90 degrees. Hold the position. Breathe normally till I count 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly drop it down. Relax. Bring the hands down. Relax. Bend both the knees. Feet on the ground. Keep your palms below your neck. Interlock your fingers. Now, slowly raise your upper portion up. Slowly, little bit, so that your stomach muscles are tightened. Go back. Again, raise your upper portion up slightly. Your stomach muscles are tightened. Hold the position. Don't put pressure on your neck. Use your stomach muscles. Go back. Again, raise your upper portion up using your stomach muscles. Go back. Once more, use your stomach muscles and raise your upper portion up slightly. Go back. Once more, raise your upper portion up using your stomach muscles. Go back. Relax. Remove your hands. Keep your palms by the side of the body. Keep your knees bent. Feet on the ground. Relax. Now, raise your middle portion up. Adjust your feet on your toes. Rise further. Breathe normally. One, two, three, four, five. Drop it down. Relax. Once more. Rise your middle portion up. One, two, three, four, five. Drop it down. Relax. Once more, rise your middle portion up. One, two, three, four, five. Drop it down. Relax. Once more, rise your middle portion up. One, two, three, four, five. Drop it down. Relax. Relax. Once more, rise your middle portion up. One, two, three, four, five. Drop it down. Relax. Relax. Straighten your legs. Relax. Now, bend both the knees. Turn your right knee towards right side, left knee towards left side. Feet touching each other. Lying down cobbler position. Right knee towards right side, left knee towards left side. Supta Baddha Konasana. Lying down cobbler position. Right knee towards right side, left knee towards left side. Feet touching each other. Hold the position. Breathe normally, relaxedly. Do deep breathing. Okay. Now slowly bring your knees together to the center. Straighten your legs. Relax. Turn on to your right side. Turn to the right. Keep your left palm on the ground. With the help of left palm, come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Take a little break. If you want to wet your throat, take a little bit sip of water. Come back. Come back. Now, come to plank position. Dandasana. On your palms and feet and toes. Body like a straight line. Body neither too high nor too low. Straight line. You will know you are doing it correctly if your stomach muscles are tightened. If your stomach muscles, tummy is tightened, then you are doing this correctly. Your hands will get strengthened, your back will get strengthened, stomach will get strengthened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Sit in Vajrasana. Relax. Now come to Dandasana again. Dandasana. Now bend your elbows and come little bit. Chaturanga Dandasana. relax. Come back. Come to standing position. Now, come to sitting Dandasana. Keep your palms behind your back. Palms on the ground. Now, palms facing towards, fingers facing towards feet behind your back on the ground. Now, do the reverse plank. Raise your middle portion up. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Relax. Turn to the side. Side plank. Keep your elbow on the ground. Keep your elbow and palm on the ground. Sideways. Turn to the left side. Both the feet. One foot on top of the other. Keep the other hand on your hips. Now raise your middle portion. Side plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop it down. Right side. Keep your right elbow on the ground, just below your shoulder. Right palm and right elbow on the ground. Sidewise. Both the feet straight. Left feet on top of the right feet. Left hand on the left hip. Now, raise your middle portion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop it down. Relax. Relax. Come to standing position. Keep your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Now, do the Malasana. Sit down. Put Namaskar Mudra. It is better if your heels touch the ground. If you cannot touch the heels to the ground, then you can slightly raise your heels. Do the Malasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up. Relax. Okay. Anybody has any questions? They can ask me. Anybody has any questions? They want to ask any question? They can ask me.
Sir,
Yes.
in the last asana, what you did,
Who is this?
Sridevi, sir.
Sridevi. Yes, madam. Tell me.
So you told like we have to keep our heels on the ground,
Yes.
if possible, right now, sir. But
Yes. Yes.
if we keep it as like properly, we are like sitting. But I saw you with the heels little bit. You were rising your body also.
Ha.
How do we do, sir? Because when we keep the heel, we sit.
Ha. No, what is your question?
My question is like if we keep the heel on the ground, it is like we properly sit and we have the namaskara.
Correct.
When we rise and keep our heels top or if we are on the toes only, like little bit like I can see the way you can do. So we should keep the heels down or how, sir?
You have to keep the heels down.
Then it's like proper like sitting posture is coming, sir. Is it fine, sir?
Show me how you are doing.
1 minute, sir. I am on my terrace actually.
Okay. Okay.
I just try.
Okay.
So if I keep my toes like this,
No, not like that. Not like that.
then this way.
You have to keep your heels on the ground. You have to keep your heels on the ground. Okay? You are sitting like this.
Yes, sir.
Not like that. Your heels should be separate out your legs a little bit. Feet can be pointing towards the sideways and sit. Knees pointing upwards. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Is it
Correct.
fine, sir?
Fine, correct. Okay. Okay, fine, thank you. Okay, anybody else has any question? Okay, all right. Let us do the Shavasana. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Legs apart, heels facing each other, hands by the side of the body, arms facing the roof, eyes closed, face smiling. Relax. Relax like a dead body. Relax. 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 Relax like a dead body. Relax. Turn to the right side. Keep your left palm on the ground. With the help of left palm, come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Now, let us do pranayama. Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. Surya Chandra Anulom Vilom Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right, exhale through the left. This you have to do alternate nostril breathing. Keep your palm, left palm on your left knee, index finger touching the thumb, palms facing upwards. With the right hand, right thumb, you can close your right nostril. With the middle fingers, you can close your left nostril. Keep your spine relaxedly straight, neither too stiff nor slouch. Relaxedly straight. Neck straight, eyes closed. Relax, 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 relax. When you are inhaling, chant Om, 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 Om 4 times. Surrender to God. When you are chanting Omkara also, do it with bhakti, with devotion. Okay, do not do mechanically anything. Whatever you do, whatever action you do in a day, do it with bhakti, with devotion. Do not think that I am working for so and so company. Don't think like that. You are all working for God. Turn all your actions as a service to God. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Exhale left nostril. Inhale left nostril. Close the left nostril and hold. Release the right nostril and exhale. Inhale right nostril. Close the right nostril and hold. Release the left nostril and exhale. Inhale left nostril. Close the left nostril and hold. Release the right nostril and exhale. Inhale right nostril. Close the right nostril and hold. Release the left nostril and exhale. Inhale left nostril. Close the left nostril and hold. Release the right nostril and exhale. Inhale right nostril. Close the right nostril and hold. Release the left nostril and exhale. Inhale left nostril. Close the left nostril and hold. Release the right nostril and exhale. Inhale right nostril. Close the right nostril and hold. Release the left nostril and exhale. Release and relax. Close your eyes and sit silently. Relax. Let us do Omkara Dhyana. Keep your palms on your knees, index finger touching the thumb.
लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु.
Keep your palms on your knees, index finger touching the thumb. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara few times. Chant Omkara with sacredness, respect and devotion, bhakti towards Parabrahma, Paramatma, Narayana, Supreme Being. Omkara sound starts from navel center and travels all the way to top of the head, Sahasrara. At the end of Omkara sound, there is a silence and peace. Enjoy the silence and peace. Silence and peace is the prasada of God. Enjoy the prasada of God. Inhale. 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 Keep your mind on top of the head. Sit silently, relaxedly. Enjoy the peace and silence. Namaskar Mudra. Repeat after me. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Fold your hands, pray to God. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shiva Swarupi. Shivoham. 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 Repeat after me. We will practice yoga daily for a healthy body, peaceful mind, and a clear intellect. We will practice to attain Atma Jnana and help others attain Atma Jnana. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.